SHOCKFORM invents, manufactures and sells equipment used to repair critical aircraft components. We're very excited to count the top OEM, MROs and airlines as recurring customers for both our equipment and our training. Our emphasis on communication and customer satisfaction enables us to provide leading solutions such as the FlapSpeed Pro, the Spiker, and also the SmartPeen.
SHOCKFORM'S innovation strategy aims to make peening easier, faster, and better. Our development team is made up of highly motivated engineers that work in multidisciplinary groups to develop new ideas. Our latest innovation is the E-Strip, which is a peening intensity sensor to record the impact force of the peening media. This invention was motivated by our customers' desire to save time and reduce their environmental impact when throwing away millions of one-time used almond strips per year.
Come and visit us at www.shockform.com.